Hi, my name is Erin Bachmeier, and I am an environmental science major here at Lewis University. When I looked around at the world, when I was trying to decide what to do, I saw all these environmental issues that were going on, and I knew I didn't want to just sit back and do nothing while I watched all these issues going on around me. I chose environmental science here at Lewis because I felt that learning about these issues would one day empower me to make a difference in the world. A lot of times you hear about sustainability, but it's hard to see it in action. But at Lewis, you can see sustainability and environmental science in action, especially in the field and with all the sustainable projects that we have going on at campus. We're able to measure data from the solar array and track energy use for the campus. That's something I could be doing at a renewable energy firm in the future, or I could be evaluating the soil quality somewhere, which is something that I've also done here at Lewis. So the field experiences and the unique opportunities that Lewis offers its students is something that's going to prepare me for a future career.